Like my hat? It's not mine. It's Sasha's, but I'm rocking it today. It's kind of small, but I like it. Cute. Cute. I got a big ass head.
Listen to me, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me.
I look a mess. Anyway, what is up, Storm Squad Q Crew? What it do? It's your girl, Quiet Storm 915, or simply Shawnee B. Welcome back to my channel. So, by the title, you can tell that this is gonna be, not exactly what the title says, but it's pretty much some things that I was thinking about that people just don't tell you when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. So, I mean, it's not really clickbait or whatever, but, you know, it's not exactly giving you, like, steps on how to start a YouTube channel. I'm gonna jump into it really quickly because I have only about 20 or 25 minutes before I have to leave out. So, it's not in any real order, but the first topic I want to talk about, or the first thing that they don't tell you when it comes to starting a YouTube channel, is that your friends and your family will not be your biggest supporters. And it's kind of sad because, I mean, anybody in their right mind would think that, you know, I'm telling my friends and I'm telling my family that I'm gonna start this YouTube channel, and, you know, automatically you think that they are going to support you and they are going to be the ones that are helping you get your views, helping you, you know, get your subscriber counts up, and they are going to be the ones that are going to support you from day one. That's so not true, y'all. Like, I think I can actually count on maybe one hand how many of my friends and family together actually have seen at least one of my videos. And it really sucks, but most of your support is going to come from total strangers, and you may never even get to meet them. So yeah, be prepared for that. The second thing I want to talk about is creating and starting and even maintaining a YouTube channel is hard work, y'all. Like, editing is probably going to be the hardest thing you ever have to do. Luckily for me, I enjoy doing that, and it comes easy to me, and that's like my favorite part of my YouTube channel. So the recording, the editing, the finding the content for your channel is hard work. So you really have to be committed to it because it's hard work. The next thing I want to, yeah, this is a big deal for me right now. I'm not a big channel at all. Like, I'm not even a medium-sized I'm not even a small channel. I'm pretty damn tiny. But YouTube has been tripping. So, like, they set the bars and then they move them back. So it's like, it's so hard for you to reach a goal before YouTube is changing it and pushing it back. And I know at one point, one of the times when I had went missing, it was because I was irritated, I was discouraged, and I was disappointed that I felt like I was growing my channel, and then I was reaching a goal. I was getting close to a goal, and then I get all these notifications that, you know, they've set the bar even higher. So it's like, I still haven't even reached the first goal for YouTube. So that's definitely one thing you have to worry about. I don't know how often they are going to do this, and I gotta sneeze. Okay, it won't come out. So Like, I don't know how hard they're gonna continue to make YouTube. I know that's a vague statement. Like, it depends on what your goals are. I'm just gonna leave it at that. The next thing is it's super competitive. So what I mean by super competitive is that everybody it's millions of people on YouTube, which means that at some point the content is going to be repeated. So you have, I mean, that's just like anything. YouTube is a business, and just like with certain stores that we spend our money in, like, people have to figure out what makes them different from all of these same brands and all of these same stores. So YouTube channels are, excuse me, y'all, I'm getting sick. YouTube channels are pretty much, you're gonna see a lot of the same things, but what you have to learn to do, which I won't say that I've even figured that out for my own channel, but what you have to do is try to figure out what is going to set you apart from all of the other life hack videos and all of the other challenges that people are doing. I mean, sometimes it is a thing where it's just catchy and it's funny and people are doing it because of that, but to actually be successful, I've learned that you have to figure out how to make your channel different. The next thing I want to say that people don't tell you, and I had no idea about this when I even decided to start my own channel, is that when you're out in public, and especially like when you're doing vlogs and stuff, it's so uncomfortable. Like, people look at you crazy, and then you have to decide if you want to just be like, you know, fuck it, and just walk around with your camera, like, and have people watch you. Like, it's so uncomfortable, and I feel like that's one of the reasons why Sasha doesn't like to do vlogs as much as I do. I like to do vlogs because I feel like they're easier to edit, they're quicker to edit, because it's not supposed to be, you know, like scripted. And I'm not saying that most sit down videos are scripted, but what I mean, like, it's just whatever comes out, it's what you record, but it's easier to edit. But yeah, it's so uncomfortable. Like, sometimes you'll get people who are really interested and, you know, they want to ask you questions and they're amazed that you are a YouTuber or that you're a vlogger. But sometimes it's uncomfortable because people, I mean, you know, people are crazy. Like, people don't know what your intentions with your camera is. You know what I mean? What your intentions with your camera are. And I get that, but it's uncomfortable for me. Like, sometimes if I'm with someone else, or if I'm with like a group of friends or whatever, I'm okay with vlogging in public. But if I'm by myself, like, I don't think I've done a solo vlog. Maybe I have, I don't know, but yeah, it's uncomfortable. So if you are shy, which I am a very shy person, then that may be a problem for you. But I need to check the time because, okay. The next thing is, a lot of people can create a channel and within months they have millions of views. And that is because these are people who have already established a following of strangers, because it's not going to be family and friends. It's people who have already developed a following of people via Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. These are people who are already known on one platform and just moving it to YouTube, and those followers tend to follow those people to YouTube. And that's why you can see people who say, you know, it's been a month and I'm already at 1 million views, and it's been a couple weeks and I'm at hundreds of followers. So it's gonna be hard to start to see results in your channel and see followers and subscribers and stuff if you're not already one of those people who have just hopped from one platform to another, if that makes sense. But oh, I sound horrible. But that brings me to my next point. You have to be committed, because it's not going to be easy, and that's gonna feel so good when it come out. But yeah, you got to be committed to see results. You can't have this goal in your mind and realize that you're not where you thought you would be after a certain period of time and then just give up. But the last thing that I want to say that they don't tell you is that it is very fulfilling to be a YouTuber. I actually enjoy it. Like all day long, I'm thinking about new ways to improve my channel and new segments. As you'll see, I have coming up 2 new segments that I've created for my channel. But I'm always thinking about it because it's something that I really enjoy, and it's something that I would like to see progress over time. I'm a very patient person, so I'm not setting like high goals for myself, especially because YouTube tends to like shit on us little people. But I really enjoy it. So I say all of this to say, those of you who are out there looking to start a YouTube channel, if you've been thinking about it, I say do it. Like, start it and see what happens. I mean, it's nothing worse than feeling like you can do something and want to do something but don't do it because you're scared. Like I said, I'm a very shy person, but I mean, it's for the most part you're talking to a camera in the comfort of your own home. So it's like I got over it. I feel like I could talk to myself and be okay with it. So I mean, like I said, get out there and try it. I just thought about this. Another thing that you've probably heard of this on YouTube. I've seen a few videos where people, you know, give you actual tips on how to start a YouTube channel, and they may have mentioned this. But one thing I want to say is that you don't have to have this expensive equipment. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a YouTube channel to have a successful YouTube channel. You do not. So that's what a lot of people think, and that's why they haven't started this channel that they've probably wanted to start for who knows how long. First of all, I've broken several iPhones. I've broken the screen some way or another, but they still work. So I have 3 iPhones where I record all of my videos on. So I do have a professional camera, but I actually prefer my iPhone for some reason. So you don't have to have an expensive camera. However, I do plan on getting, you know, a better like vlog camera specifically for my channel. But like I said, I'm working with 2 broken iPhones, 1 brand new iPhone. I have 2 studio lights. I have 2 tripods, which I got from Amazon, which weren't expensive at all. And I'm sitting in my office. Like, I have a background, a green screen and all that, but you don't need that type of stuff just to have a successful channel. It helps. And once I get to a point where I feel like I need to beef my background and set up, I will do that. But you don't want to spend money on something that you're not sure is going to even be worth it. So I say use what you have, but the difference is in your content. You have to try to have decent content, so your setup won't even matter. But that's really all I wanted to say. I've been thinking about doing this video for a long time, because as I do my own channel, I just realized, like, whoa, I don't think I knew this was gonna be like this, or I don't think that I knew this was gonna happen, or I was gonna ever have to go through this and that. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. But it's almost time for me to go pick up Babe. So if you guys like this video, like always, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I drop a video. Another thing, consistency really makes a difference, y'all. I've noticed since it's been about a month or so since I've been consistently posting on my channel, and you can definitely see the numbers. Like you can see where it makes the difference. I'm not having these big jumps in like followers or subscribers or anything like that, but the analytics really tell you, they really reflect your consistency. And so consistency is always a big thing when dealing with a YouTube channel, so keep that in mind. But make sure you leave a comment below if you have any other suggestions on videos you would like to see from my channel, any challenges you would like to see, whatever. Just leave it in the comments below and I'll make it happen. I'm out of here, y'all. That's it. Remember, peace, love, and music, y'all.